We're recording? Okay. Hello, I'm AWeaver, a PTA student at South University in Montgomery, and today we are going to go over some gait training with assistive devices, specifically crutches. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that your crutches are fitted properly, and basically you're going to take a height in inches, and then your handrails are going to allow for 20 to 30 degrees flexion. You are going to instruct the patient to have good posture, head up, and to make sure that when they are following through that they use their hands and not upper shoulder leaning through the axilla. And also you want to make sure you can get a good 2 to 3 fingers in between the crutches and the axilla. Okay, so the first gait we're going to be doing is 3-point non-weight bearing. That means we are not putting any weight whatsoever on the affected leg. So I want you to raise this leg all the way up. I want you to bend this, you got it? All the way up. Okay, you're also, get ready to do yours. We're also going to make sure that you have the gait belt and that you're standing posterior and lateral to the affected side. So with this one, we're going to move both of our crutches forward about 6 inches at the same time. So move both crutches forward, and then we're going to follow through, just like that. The next one that we're going to be doing is a 3-point partial weight bearing. So with that one, you can put partial weight on this foot, so you can put your foot down. And when you step, look at me, when you step, you're going to do kind of a heel to toe motion, but just partial weight on it. So you're going to put both crutches forward and your partial, come back. You can put this foot down. Okay, so move both of this foot and these 2 crutches forward at the same time, doing that heel to toe motion, and then follow through. That's going to be your partial weight bearing 3.1. The next one we're going to be doing is the partial weight bearing 2-point. So with this one, it basically means you're going to have 2 points on the ground. So with this one, holding on to your patient, partial weight bearing, so you can keep your foot down. I'm going to ask you to move foot down, right crutch and left leg at the same time. You can put partial weight on this foot. So this crutch and this leg at the same time. Okay, and then the other 2 will go forward as well. Just like that. Okay, come back. The next one we're going to be doing is the 4-point partial weight bearing. And this is basically, you're going to move right crutch first. Just the crutch, left leg, come back. Okay, let's do this crutch first. All right, and then move this leg. Okay, and then move this crutch, and then this leg. I think that works better. So that's the 4-point. So we're gonna redo the 2-point, and we're gonna use this leg as your hurt leg. No, still this leg is your hurt leg. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're going to move this crutch forward first. This crutch forward first. And then move this crutch and this leg at the same time. And then move the other 2 at the same time. There we go. I think that works better as 2-point. So the next one we're going to be doing is touchdown weight bearing. So with this, you're going to move both crutches and this leg at the same, bring crutches back. So you move both crutches and your partial weight bearing leg at the same time. Follow, there you go, follow through with your good leg. All right, next we're going to go ahead and do our swing gait patterns. These are for spinal injuries. The first one we're going to do is called swing to gait. So you're going to move both of your crutches foot forward about 6 inches, and just put both feet on the ground, please. Holding on to your patient, and then you're going to swing, kind of hold them out to the side a little. a little bit. Can I move you, please? Okay, move forward. They need to be about a foot in front of you. Okay, both feet on the ground. Okay, and now you're gonna kind of, okay, so come back. Okay, so now you're gonna move both crutches forward, and you're gonna swing through with both legs up into the crutches, like where the crutches end. There you go. The next one is called a swing through gait. So basically, back up just a little bit, baby. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing, move both crutches forward, and we're gonna swing all the way through. So you wanna land in front of the crutches. So go ahead. You come back, please. Okay, this leg isn't hurt anymore.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna swing all the way through. Okay, we're gonna try that again. We're gonna move both crutches forward, a good bit further more, and then swing all the way through. There we go. All right, now we're gonna do steps. So come down here, please. All right, you might want to stand up there in video if you can, might make it easier. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The first thing we're going to be doing is going up the steps. So you want to ask your patient to get as close to the steps as possible. Again, hanging on to the gait belt on posterior lateral side of the hurt leg. And one good thing to remember about stairs and gaits is you want to go up with the good and down with the bad. So the first thing I'm going to ask my patient to do is to place her good foot up on the stairs. Yeah, let's switch it. Bring that foot back. What's that like? That other foot started. Yeah, there we go. All right, so you can put your foot down a little bit. All right, hold. So go up with your good foot and your crutches. Good foot first and crutches, and then up with the bad. Do one more. Crutches first. No, I'm sorry. Good foot first, and then put the crutches up, bring the crutches up, and then lift the back. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna do going down the stairs. So turn around. Gavin, you might wanna come down here for this. And film it. Sorry about the camera changes. Okay, with this one, you want to bring the crutches down first, and then your bad leg, and then good leg. All right, and that's our gait training with assistive devices.